2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope so. What'd you wish for?
You already blew it out.
James.
Color.
Yeah.
I already knew that's what she wished for.
Can I open my
Goofball.
present?
Yes. Well, open your card first. That's more important.
Kayla's gonna be so happy when she opens it.
I made him.
Made who what? Did what?
Made the
I think you are the very best, and I hope that you have the super sweet day you deserve.
Hey, it wasn't done.
Yeah, that's
She's like, I just gotta get to the present.
Is that all, Kayla?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are
Check
you
in the
sure?
bag.
Check in the bag.
Make sure there's nothing else.
No.
No, look in the bag.
I think I see something else.
Yeah.
What is that, Kayla?
It's a rush. Dirt. Okay, open it.
Wait, take out. What else is in there?
Done. A print on my shirt. Really? Ow.
What?
Got it.
Photo.
Who's on it?
James.
Where is he?
Her. Her. Her.
You're so
Yeah.
silly.
Open it, Dad.